Welcome back. Whether you are running a clinic, a salon or a service business, keeping clients on schedule is very critical. In this guide, we are showing you how to automate reminders and manage reservations to improve your client experience. Let me show you. Let's explore a reminder feature. This is designed to send automated reminder messages to our customer. It consists of three parts. The first part is source. This is a preference based, meaning you can either send reminder to everyone or filter specific criteria. For example, you can let's create the source. WhatsApp text. Insert. Let's create another. Appointment. Insert. These are just examples. You can create them based on your business needs. Next, go to the reminder section. Think of reminder as an ongoing automated campaign. You define your preference, like when the campaign should be triggered, and it will send you reminder messages automatically. Let's create a reminder to see how it works. Click on Add New Reminder. Enter a reminder name, then select a template you want to use. Since this is a campaign base, the message need to be pre-approved template. So choose one from your list. Name, demo, template. Let's select this. Now select the source. Define when it should trigger and choose the reminder type, either before event or after event. Then set the reminder unit. Do you want it in hours, days or weeks? And specify the timing, like 2 hours before or 3 hours after the event. Once everything is configured, click on Apply. Select value if there is any variable in your template and check everything, and then click on Save Reminder Campaign. This is a third step in creating a reservation, which you will do whenever you want to schedule a reminder. Go to the reservation section. Here you will find all your scheduled reservation. Click on Add New Reservation. Enter sender's contact detail through the scroll down. Select the source. Set the reservation start date and meeting end date. Then click on Insert. And you are done. Now, whenever the reservation is scheduled, the reminder message will be sent automatically based on the rules you have set up. Your automated reminder system is now active and keeping your schedule full. Want to reduce no-show even further? Explore more automated features on WAvixo.io.